Okay, welcome to the Naples Conservancy. Today we're going to have a scavenger hunt for data. We're going to be looking for different types of data using LabQuest 1 and 2 to practice collecting data in science. Your task is to use one or more, if you like, vernier probes. We're going to collect 3 data points or more, if you can, from several locations in order to have something to compare later. You can store the data in your LabQuest or in your lab notebook. Later we're going to share the significance or scientific practice to Padlet. For this, I recommend you collaborate as a group to decide on where you're going to collect the data, what it means ahead of time, so you're not just wandering around looking for something to do. We want to do this in 30 minutes so we don't waste any time later. And it might be good for you to maybe take pictures of each other as teachers to model this later when you go to use this in the classroom, or maybe even use that probe. You can show kids that you already did this. Your probe options are temperature, motion, force, light, UVA and UVB, pH, gas pressure, salinity, a goniometer, and a heart rate monitor. Now the green stars are for challenge. If you want a special challenge or you feel creative, like you can come up with something new, perhaps you can find a way to gather motion data, force, or use the gas pressure sensor somewhere here on the Conservancy property. Now the rest of these might seem pretty straightforward, it just depends on what you would like to do. So for temperature, light, UV, pH, salinity, those might seem pretty straightforward. You don't have a goniometer, we only have one to share, so that'll be up to somebody if they want to see what that is. And maybe even take that challenge. So, good luck.